Hi everyone. I want to make a video about saving credit cards in Stripe. And this is actually something I'm trying to explain to one of my team members right now. So I thought I would make a video of it because I think it's something a lot of people don't understand how it's done. Most people have never encountered this in their app, I think. And it's actually very important and fundamental to how you are going to design and build your app and allow users to use the Stripe component. The thing is, in Adalo, there is a built-in Stripe component, okay? And the thing you want to note here is that the action on the Stripe component when a user checks out is based on when they click the submit button, okay? So it does say after payment successful here, but it's actually not if the payment is successful, it's when they click this button. Now, it won't happen, if the payment's not successful, it won't happen, but let me explain what I mean. The first time a user goes into the app and they go to pay for something, they will need to enter their credit card information, okay? They'll enter those details, they'll click this button, and what will happen is you will create the payment. All that happens, and whatever you want to do in the app is up to you. But what we do is we have a field under our users called, you can call it whatever you want, but we call it like credit card added or has paid before, and we mark that field as true, okay? And the reason for that is that the next time a user goes and they see this, it will automatically charge them because their credit card information is already saved. There's no button for them to press to confirm it, okay? So the moment they hit this screen, they will be charged, but the difference is that they will not press the button to do it. So if you have actions running on the screen, like create the payment, change the order status, anything like that, those will not fire for returning users. The payment will happen, but you won't know about it unless you are actively checking Stripe. So what we do is we create a second screen that emulates the first, okay? It has the same component here, but for this component, these, we know they are not going to fire, okay? So we could just delete these, it doesn't matter. And what we do is we put the actions after payment is successful, we put those on the page itself, okay? So what I have here is basically a user would be checking out. And when a user checks out, we want to create a log of that payment in the app, okay? So when they submit, we create a payment, all right? Now, the way that we've done this so that every time this happens, regardless of whether a user has added a credit card or not, when they check out, we will check if they have had a card added, okay? If card added is false, they go here. If card added is true, they will go here. On their first payment, they will pay, click submit, and we will update the user so that card added is true. Then from now on, when they go back into the app, they will come here and their card will already have been added, which means that they don't have to add it, which is great for the user experience. And you just want to make sure that you are going to capture whatever that activity is in the app, okay? So again, we capture that payment on the screen when the user visits that screen. As usual, if you have any questions, just let me know in the comment section below.